Here with my new delivery of Soap and Glory's limited edition Peach Please body scrub as well as body cream. I live for a good body scrub. I own so many of them. I feel like they're imperative for my shower time. Just helps to exfoliate the skin, make you all soft, smooth, and silky. So, yep, of course, sales slip, boring, and okay. So, it was delivered damaged. This is no bearing on Soap and Glory, but yeah, my body cream is damaged. Yeah, that's gonna have to go back. No go. And moving on to the actual body scrub, this is the main attraction for me. Again, Soap and Glory, Peach Please. So let's check it out. And unfortunately, it's soapy. It's soapy, soupy, capital S's all around. The consistency is not giving body scrub. I own so many. I've never had one that looks like slime. Not happy with the consistency at all. I mean, is this really a body scrub? Like, where's the grit? Like, where's the texture to it? It really doesn't even smell like peach. I mean, it smells okay, but the consistency, no thanks. It's going back. Sorry.